The Kama Sutra, an ancient Indian text written by Vatsyayana Malanga around 400 CE, is a comprehensive guide to human love, desire, and pleasure. It delves into the complexities of human nature, emotions, and relationships, exploring the art of courtship and the nature of love. Beyond just sexual practices, the Kama Sutra is a reflection of cultural, social, and philosophical values of ancient India. Rooted in Hindu ideals of dharma, arth, kama, and moksha, the Kama Sutra emphasizes the importance of balancing these pursuits in life. It draws from the concept of tantrism, highlighting the union of opposites as a means to achieve spiritual enlightenment. The text reflects India's rich cultural heritage, philosophical traditions, and understanding of human nature. The Kama Sutra's emphasis on pleasure, desire, and sensuality is rooted in Indian philosophy's acknowledgement of human nature's dual aspects, the spiritual and the material. This tension between spirit and matter is a recurring theme in Indian thought, as seen in the exploration of dharma, arth, kama, moksha in the Bhagavad Gita. The influence of the Kama Sutra extends beyond India's borders, with translations into many languages and significant impact on Western thought. French writer Paul Camoun's translation in the 18th century made the text accessible to a broader audience, sparking widespread interest. Various English translations have since been published, further increasing its reach. Today, the Kama Sutra remains an important part of Indian cultural heritage, recognized as a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage element. It continues to be studied by scholars, philosophers, and artists worldwide, offering insights into Indian culture, philosophy, and human nature. The text is considered a masterpiece of Indian literature, appreciated for its valuable insights into human sexuality, relationships, and culture. In conclusion, the Kama Sutra is an iconic Indian text that offers valuable insights into human nature, relationships, and culture. Its exploration of desire, pleasure, and sensuality reflects India's rich cultural heritage and philosophical traditions. Beyond its explicit content, the Kama Sutra has had a lasting impact on Western thought and continues to be studied and appreciated worldwide as a significant aspect of India's intangible cultural heritage.